Good day, everyone. Our topic is all about inborn error of metabolism. What do you understand by inborn error of metabolism? It is genetically inherited or not.
Inborn error of metabolism. Inborn error metabolism are rare genetic inherited disorders in which the body cannot properly turn food into energy. If our body's metabolism is sluggish, what we eat and how it is digested in our bodies affect how tired, exhausted we feel and how active we are. If someone has a metabolism problem, they will always feel sleepy or exhausted because their body's metabolism is so slow. Inborn describes characteristics that come naturally to you from birth. Rare hereditary inherited illness known as inborn errors of metabolism prevent the body from correctly converting food into energy, and they are passed down from our parents. It's a very uncommon condition when we eat, when we chew it in the mouth after we liquefies. Due to the presence of several enzymes in the mouth, it travels into the stomach where it is digested, absorbed, and transformed into energy. However, in this situation, the food will not be able to be converted into energy. The disorders are usually caused by defected in species protein enzymes that help break down metabolized parts of the food. It was caused by an enzyme, so enzymes are proteins that help speed up metabolism. Therefore, a lack of enzymes in a body causes error metabolism when food enters our stomach without necessary enzymes to complete the process.
The majority are due to the defects of single genes that code for enzymes that facilitate conversion of various substances, substrates into other products. It is a single gene condition. In most of the disorders, problems arise due to accumulation of substances which are toxic or interfere with normal function or to the effects of reduced ability to synthesize essential compounds. Heavy toxicity can lower energy levels and damage the functioning of the brain, lungs, kidney, liver, blood composition, and other important organs. It can also result to error in metabolism as it can reduce to the synthesize essential compounds in our body.
The term inborn of metabolism was coined by a British physician, Archibald Garrod, 1857 to 1936. In 1908, he is known for work that prefigured the one gene, one enzymes hypothesis. Garrod treated patients who suffered from metabolic disorders and observed that this condition frequently ran in the families.
In most of the disorders, problems arise due to accumulations of substances which are toxic or interfere with normal function, or to the effects of reduced ability to synthesize essential compounds. In most of the disorders, problems arise due to accumulations of substance A interfered B to C to be the normal function C, which lead it to the toxic metabolite D, which reduce the ability to synthesize essential compounds, which are specific is enzyme defects products a metabolic block that may have pathologic consequences at birth or in the later in life.
Classification 1. Disturbance in the synthesis of catabolism of complex molecules. It is disease has a slow course that prodromal phase lasts for months, years to decades. Example, lysosomal disorder, a rare genetic condition that causes a buildup of toxic materials in your body cells. 2. Acute or chronic intoxication due to accumulation of toxic compound. Acute arsenic poisoning is associated initially with nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and severe diarrhea. Example, sugar intolerance, urea cycle defect. Urea cycle defect, a genetic condition also known as an inborn error of metabolism that causes abdominal to build up in your blood. Amino acid patties, defects in protein synthesis pathway which result a range of biochemical disorder and clinical presentation. Number 3. Energy deficiency disease, the result of either of fundamental block in your energy production as seen in congenital lytic acidosis or a failure of adequate energy production in your absence of a regular food supply. Example, glycogen storage disease, a rare metabolic disorder where the body is not able to prepare, store, or break down glycogen, a form of sugar or glucose mitochondrial disease. Mitochondrial disease are energy factor of your body. Mitro Mitochondrial disease are long-term genetic, often inherited disorders that occur the mitochondria fail to produce enough energy for the body to function properly. Mitochondrial disease, fatty oxidation disease.
Diagnostic methods: physical examination, skin and hair changes, cataract, hepatomegaly, jaundice, unexplained neurologic signs, presence of ambiguous genitalia, and etc.
Diagnostic method, biochemical test, total and differential count, blood sugar, serum electrolyte, serum ammonia, liver enzyme, arterial blood gas, urine metabolic screen, urine HP, urine test for ferric chloride spot test, chromatography.
General management: to reduce the formation of metabolites, stop feeding, and do obtain blood and urine sample. Start intravenous fluids. Correct dehydration, acidosis. Provide cardiorespiratory support. Start specific therapy. If condition worsen, start peritoneal dialysis, hemodialysis, or exchange transfusion to get rid of toxic metabolites.
That's the end of our topic. We hope you learned something.